Good day, friends. Today we are going to make some beer battered shrimp. As you can see, I've got the shrimps that have got tails on. It's about 1 kilo of Pacific Ocean shrimp, which is the best. And I will show you how to cook this and also how to make the tartar sauce that goes with it. Now, we can also do some of it by cutting the tops a little, a few cuts, and then put a plastic on top of it and hammer it very gently. That will make the shrimp lose the curve and become more straight. But if you don't care about it being a curve, then you don't have to do this. Anyway, so we are going to make the liquid that we are going to dip the shrimps in. We need 1.5 cup of all-purpose white flour. That I've got here, and we are going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs. We need some salt, so I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can add red pepper if you like it to be more spicy. To this we are going to add some beer. It's a lager beer, 500 milliliters, and that's almost 1 full cup and a bit and a quarter. It doesn't matter if it is alcoholic or non-alcoholic. You can also use the mixer or handheld mixer to get the liquid quicker. Now our liquid is getting ready. I just want to make sure there are no lumps in it. Now we are going to cover it with a nylon sheet and put it aside for about 1 hour to settle down. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the tartar sauce. We need about 1.5 to 2 cups of mayonnaise, and we need to add some relishes in it. I prefer the dill one, not the sweet one. You can either use relish, or you can actually get dill pickle cucumber and cut them into very small pieces that I'm going to show you. Either get the sliced ones. That's dill pickle cucumber, and then cut the slices into very small pieces. It is just the same, so either use relish or pickled cucumber, dill pickle cucumber. As you can see, it's almost the same. Or if you don't get the slices, you can get the whole dill pickle cucumber and then cut them into slices, and then cut the slices into smaller pieces, as you can see me doing. Any way you want to do it, it's up to you, as long as you get the dill pickle cucumbers into very small pieces. Now I add some lemon zest. That is gonna make the sauce very delicious. Zest of 1 lemon should be enough. And then I'm going to cut the lemon and get the juice of half a lemon. And add that half a lemon, about 1 tablespoon or just a little bit more, it's up to you, to the sauce. Now we mix everything first. Now I add some red pepper. If you don't like it spicy, don't add red pepper, but I add half a teaspoon of red pepper. This is cayenne. And final ingredient is Dejon Mustard. So I add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Dijon Mustard. If you don't have that, you can add ordinary mustard. Now we mix everything together. I usually add some Persian cream to it. That's the thick breakfast cream that makes it even more tasty, but I don't have it at home right now. So we also cover this with the nylon sheet and then keep it aside until we finish the cooking of the shrimps, and then we can put it alongside the shrimps. Now the 1 hour has passed, our mix is ready, and we have cooking oil in the pot with strainer. Now we dip the shrimp into the liquid, holding the tail of the shrimp. I recommend when you want to put it into oil, hold it in the oil a little bit and then let it go, because that way it wouldn't stick to the sides. So I put the first one as a test. Now you can see if you hold it a little bit and then let it go, it will not stick to the sides. Now we're gonna remove the cooked ones and put them on the paper towel so that the extra oil will drip on the paper towel. You see how beautiful it is. So I just show you a few and then do the rest off the camera. Hold it a little bit and then let it go. You see how beautiful they're cooked and the cover is even. This part is nice and quick. Okay, now we have done all the shrimps and we are going to put them into a serving plate and put the sauce that we made beside it and ready to be eaten. Look how nicely they're done. Here it is, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you very much for being with me again, and have a wonderful day.